Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Monday.com CRM for multi-workspace setups, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To begin authorizing Monday.com CRM for multi-workspace setups, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the admin section found in the profile menu. Select the Workspaces tab to view the current workspaces available to your account. Identify the workspace you wish to authorize for your CRM setup. Click on the workspace name to access its settings. In the Workspace settings, locate the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to explore available options. Select the CRM integration option that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to connect your CRM account to the workspace. Once the integration is established, configure the necessary permissions for users within that workspace. Make sure to set visibility options according to your team structure. After permissions are set, return to the main dashboard. If additional workspaces require CRM access, repeat the process for each workspace. Verify that all settings are correctly configured in each workspace. Test the integration by creating a sample item in the CRM. Monitor the item's activity across the workspaces to ensure proper functionality. Address any issues that may arise during testing. Once satisfied, inform your team members about the new setup. Encourage them to utilize the CRM features across their respective workspaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.